Instructions for college course list. This is a zip folder, so go ahead and open it up. And then go ahead and choose save, even though we're not actually going to save it. And we're going to open the folder. And what we need to do is extract this file, because right now it is a zip folder because it has a zip in it. And in order to access the files in it, we have to extract it. So go ahead and choose extract all and extract. And then now you can work with the folder. So the first thing you do is go ahead and open the folder. And right now it's showing you in detail view, and it's in alphabetic order. And there are 20 items here. If you click right here, you could change the order to descending. So it's Z to A. And then you could do the same thing for the date if you wanted it current to the most recent date to later dates, but they're all the same date, so it doesn't matter. If you don't like the view that has all this information, you could click here, and there's other choices you could choose. And I'm going to go to list. And what you can also do, if you want to see what's in each document without actually opening it, you can click preview pane, and you get to see what's in each file. That's the preview pane. So what we want to do here, I'm just going to turn it off for now, is we want to organize our college course list folder by creating a folder, a subfolder with English, history, and math, and put the files in each according folder. So we can choose home and new folder, and there's our shortcut. We're going to use that later, Control-Shift-N. So I'll click new folder, and I'll type English, enter. And then up here, I just wanted to show you in the up in the quick access toolbar is another new folder. So I'll click that. This one will be history. And then for the next one, I'm going to use Control, Shift, and the letter N, and that's also a new folder. And this one will be math. So I'm going to select the English paper 1 just by left clicking. And then if I could move them one at a time, but that would take time. So if I just hover to the last one, English paper 7, before I click it, hold Shift, now click it, and it does them all in sequential order. Now I realize there's one here, grammar rules. If I use Shift, it's going to highlight fractions. So instead, I'm going to hold Control and click grammar rules, so it doesn't select fractions. So now if I hover over here in the blue, I'm going to hold, and it'll say 8 items are selected. I'm going to be moving 8 items, and I want it into English, and let go. I'll do the same for history. Click history paper once, then hold Shift and click history paper 4, and then there's Civil War. Hold Control and click it. And you can move from here or from just this one. It'll be moving 5 items into history. And then for the math, click the first divisibility rules, hold Shift, prime and composite, and then drag those right into math. Now, for attendance verification, I would like a copy of this document in each of the folders. If you drag it into English, then you can't put it into history or math. So what you'll do is click it once and choose copy. Then double click English, and Control V is paste. Then let's go back to college course list, and then double click history, Control V, or you can click paste, and then go back, one more math, and paste. And we'll go back. So now we don't need it here anymore, so I'll right click and choose delete. So what I'd like you to do is I want to see what's in each folder, the English, the history, and the math. So to get a screenshot of it, you should open Word, blank document, and then I'm first going to go back on the taskbar. I'm going to back to the college course list, and I'm going to open the history folder so I can see everything that's in it. And then Word is back here, so I'm just going to click back here. And then Insert, Screenshot, Screen Clipping. It's going to fade out. Start up here by the yellow folder so that you get the path. I don't need everything. This is fine. And let go. And then just click below it, or Control End, END, so you can get ready for your next one. First, go to your folder and go back to College Course List, open History, click back here where Word is open, and then Insert, Screenshot, Screen Clipping, and again wait till it fades, and select all the way to see History, and then Control End so that you are not selecting, because otherwise if you keep it selected, you would lose that with your new screenshot. So make sure you deselect it. Go back to your folder and we'll go to Math, Word, Insert, Screenshot, Screen Clipping. Wait till it fades and select. Control End. And the next one, go back to your folder to get it ready. Let's go back to College Course List, and I just want to see the actual preview of the beach house. So click View and Preview. Then come back to Word, Insert, Screenshot, Screen Clipping, and your last picture. Save this document. It's okay if it goes on 2 pages. Save this document and submit it in Brightspace. Thank you.